My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2020 Ford Focus ST Edition. This vehicle has done 31,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as a keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control and our sport mode button. On the first page of our screen, we have navigation, mobile apps and Bluetooth. On the second, we have Apple and Android CarPlay, vehicle settings and 4Pass Connect. And on our third, we have valet mode and ambient lighting. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear sensors. Just below the screen, we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, you can see that all of the seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.